Dad said, find a job, clock in, clock out. Learn to pull your weight, don't complain, don't shout. But this heart won't sit in a swivel chair cage. I'd rather work like a dog on a busted up stage. So I'll run a business on an old guitar case. Every song I sell is a bet on grace. They call me salty for the chances I take, but I'm savage about the life that I make. Yeah, I'm savage about the life that I make. Friends bought homes, got the lawn, got the gate. Their Monday coffee tastes like playing it safe. I got overdraft blues in a second-hand van, but I own my name when I shake your hand. I'll run a business on an old guitar case. Every song I sell is a bet on grace. They call me salty for the chances I take, but I'm savage about the life that I make. Yeah, I'm savage about the life that I make. If the numbers never add up, I'll still count it as a win, 'cause the cost of giving in would be living half asleep again. So I'll run a business on an old guitar case. Every song I sell is a leap, not a waste. You can call me salty for the risks I embrace, but I'm savage about the life that I made. Yeah, I'm savage about the life that I made.